Are you ready for SoFi this week, guys? It's going to be a big one. The company's set to report earnings in a couple of days, and we have to break down what to expect, the charts, and of course, what I'm looking to do. So, guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to sign up to my email list down below. I'm sending my top 3 stocks every single Monday directly to your email for free. So, check out the link down below. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So, SoFi stock yesterday on Friday went up 2% on the day in the midst of a pretty awesome green day for the stock market. I mean, guys, you probably saw the Russell went up 1.7%. NASDAQ went up around 1%, same with the S&P, as the Dow crushed it up over 1.6%, and the VIX, I think, was down a little bit on Friday, a little bit, I think like 5%, whatever it was. But yeah, SoFi crushed it, and it looks like we are bouncing heading into earnings, which, by the way, guys, are on the 31st, I believe, or the 30th. Let me double check that if it wants to work today, guys. Come on. Yeah, 30th in the morning, which I believe is on Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday morning, we're getting SoFi's earnings. So right off the bat, you guys can see we're holding the mid-sevens as of now, which you all probably know has been a big level of support over the last couple of days. You guys can see that here on the 5-day 5-minute. And by the way, on this 5-day 5-minute, you'll notice the nice recovery we've seen off that $6.93 low. Now we're up around 7% off that point, and we do have an ascending triangle here on Friday that formed. You guys can see that pretty clear, right? Resistance at about 750. We're making higher lows into that resistance, right? And on the 10-day chart, if I pull it up, you can see an inverse head and shoulders. Do you guys see this inverse head and shoulders? Let me draw it out really quickly for you guys out there watching so you all get a better idea of what I'm looking at. So we have the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder is forming right here. And if we get that pop over 750, 760, hey, that right shoulder could be playing out, and we could see a lot more upside on SoFi stock. Something like this, right? Maybe towards the high sevens, back over $8, right? But we're probably going to have to wait until earnings to see, movement on the stock. Obviously, we only have 1 day of trading before earnings, and I suspect on Monday, with earnings on Tuesday, I think Monday, this stock might be pretty flat, kind of like the calm before the storm. Maybe that's what I suspect, at least. I don't know. I could be wrong. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. But on this 20-day chart, you guys can see how we're slowly breaking back over the moving averages, which we were under them for a couple of days there. And let me draw this out. Let me show you guys this right here. We can see if I get the channel tool out. Let me show you this, guys. We're actually slowly breaking out of this channel that we were in for about a week, a little over a week, almost 10 days. We were in this channel, and now on Friday, we gapped out of the highs from Thursday. We gapped above the moving averages on the 1-hour chart here, and we actually broke out of the highs from Friday, from Thursday, from Wednesday. So that's a good sign. It looks like we're starting to get out of the channel, which is good for the bulls. And again, heading into earnings on Tuesday, I think we're going to be kind of calm on Monday, but Tuesday we'll probably get some movement. In fact, I think we'll definitely get some movement, and hopefully it's to the upside. We'll see, guys. I'm in, I'm long, and I'm going to be holding through earnings. No matter what happens, we'll see, guys. I'm freaking excited. But yeah, that's a quick breakdown here on these smaller time frames, guys. And on the 4-hour chart, you guys can see how now we're back over, not quite yet over the 50 SMA, but we clearly got buyers that came in the high sixes, low sevens, which is good. We bounced off the 180 SMA here, which is awesome. And now we're actually taking out the highs from the middle of June, early June. And yeah, this spot where we're at, mid sevens, low eights, is a very, very big level of resistance, guys, which we're not anywhere near out of the woods yet. Let's be honest, guys. I mean, look at this chart. But again, hopefully with earnings, we get the pop that I think SoFi has been, desperate for, right? It's heavily in need for a pop here, and we just need a catalyst, something, good news, good guidance, something to get the stock out of the slump that it's been in. And honestly, if you guys think that this move here from 615 to the low sevens is anything, you guys might be in for a surprise. You know, if this stock reports good numbers, man, I think $8-9 is a fair price for the stock, maybe even higher than that. So there could be more upside, but of course, guys, please do your own research. SoFi is a more risky company, let's be honest here. But yeah, let me show you some numbers here very quickly, guys. Bear with me. Hold on a second. And where the heck is the Safari thing here? What the heck? Here we go, guys. And oh, by the way, don't forget to get up to 10 or actually 20 stocks. Yeah, up to 20 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. This offer is actually exclusive to this channel, so use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And for a limited time, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, come on. That's a no-brainer, so use that link or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. So SoFi right now is trading at a $7.8 billion market cap. You guys can see right here if I zoom in. Come on. And obviously, they have no price-to-earnings ratio trailing 12 months because they haven't been profitable for that long. So we'll see how that updates, in a couple of quarters here. And the beta is a 1.71, pretty volatile stock compared to the stock market. Obviously, you guys have probably realized that as of now. And let me see here, the statistics page. This is going to show us the short interest, right? Or is that on the analysis? Actually, no, this is, let's see what it says here, guys. Shares, shares, short percentage of float, 18%. Short percentage of shares outstanding, 17%. So it's probably realistically higher than that. But yeah, pretty high short interest on SoFi, probably over 20, let's be honest, 20%. So this could be a short squeeze candidate, man. If they crush earnings, shorts poop their pants, they got to cover, right? They're going to buy the stock. Who knows? This could be one that shoots up like a freaking hockey stick. At least that's what we kind of hope for, right? So we'll see how that plays out. Pretty high short interest. And as for the earnings coming up here, guys, let me show you the actual estimates. Let me pull this up here. So based on 15 analysts here on Yahoo Finance, we can see the average estimate is a whopping 0. So break even. The low estimate's a 0 as well, which is funny. And the high estimate is 1 cent, with them doing negative 6 cents a year ago. So they lost 6 cents per share a year ago. Now they're looking on average to break even 0, right? So if they do anything over 0, a cent, 2, 3, 4 cents, that's going to be a surprise for SoFi. And on the revenue side of things, we can see based on the Yahoo Finance analysts here, 12 analysts, we can see here average estimate $563 million, low estimates $556, high is $574, with them doing $488 million a year ago. So projected, they're looking to grow revenue sales by 15%. Not too bad if you guys ask me. So yeah, I mean, it's not what it used to be, but not bad, and I think, honestly, their growth will start to come back up, and I'm very eager for the earnings call, guys, to kind of see where Noto's head's at, the management team, where they're going moving forward. As you guys know, Noto's been running the company fairly conservatively, and now I was reading we're going to be getting, I think the markets are projecting 3 rate cuts this year before the end of the year. I don't know if we'll get 3, who knows, but that's going to be good for SoFi. You know, we're going to see potentially what Noto and the management team have to say about that. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Quick little video here on SoFi, breaking down the charts, kind of what to expect here. And, I'm long. I'm, in the stock. You guys know that. My average cost is right around $680, $690, in that ballpark, something like that. So I'm excited to see how this plays out. And it looks like we could be getting ready here for a breakout. So What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Let's try and get at least 150 likes on this video. Make sure to subscribe as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my mailing list, guys, down below if you want me to send you my top 3 stocks every single Monday morning for free right to your email, guys, with no spam emails, no BS, just straight stocks and charts to your inbox every single Monday morning. Check out that link down below. I appreciate you guys for tuning in and for all the support as always. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.